Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we will explore Trump Media and Technology Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 13th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has categorized Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.38. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has encountered a loss of 15.31%. This amounts to an average loss of 1.09% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within the lower section of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $18.97 is breached, it will initially suggest a deceleration in the rate of increase, but may also serve as an early indication of a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 12.66% over the next 3 months, with a projected return ranging from 9.51% to 62.70%. In examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -10.44%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -62.92% to +120.36% over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price falling between $7.24 and $43.01. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price down 2.06% on Friday. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price fell by 2.06% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 13th of June, 2025, decreasing from $19.93 to $19.52. It has now declined for 4 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 5.44%, with a day low of $19.31 and a day high of $20.36. Over this period, the price has experienced considerable volatility, resulting in a loss of 8.49% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 161,000 shares. Although this occurred amid falling prices, this could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 6 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $109.64 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $54.68, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price is 64.30% or $35.16 below the 52-week high, and 75.41% or $59.86 below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Trump Media and Technology Group Corp, trading under the symbol DJT, has recently made significant strides in the cryptocurrency space, creating potential implications for its stock price. On the 13th of June, 2025, the company announced that its registration statement regarding a $2.5 billion Bitcoin treasury deal has become effective, marking a milestone in its ambitious financial strategy. The funding structure involves $1.5 billion in common stock and $1 billion in convertible notes, with participation from approximately 50 institutional investors. This move not only strengthens DJT's balance sheet, but also positions the company well within the burgeoning cryptocurrency market, which could attract more investor interest and drive stock prices higher in the short term. Furthermore, DJT is also seeking approval for a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, aiming to provide a straightforward investment vehicle for both retail and institutional investors. This offering could further enhance investor sentiment and bolster stock performance as it opens new avenues for investment in a popular asset class. Despite challenges, such as stock slides during a high-profile feud with Elon Musk, DJT shares have shown resilience, recently performing well despite ongoing tensions in Los Angeles. The company's proactive approach in diversifying into cryptocurrencies and fintech could yield long-term benefits, positioning DJT as a forward-thinking player in an evolving market. As such, analysts will be closely monitoring how these developments influence stock performance in both the immediate and future horizons. Analysts have assigned the stock of Trump Media and Technology Group a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also assign a strong sell rating to the stock. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation is indicating sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. Should there be any upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $20.45 and $23.49. A breakout above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 23, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 26%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Sell signal, pivots. Sell signal 37 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 87 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 82 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corp finds support from accumulated volume at $18.79. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. It is regarded as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.05 between its highest and lowest points, which represents a change of 5.44%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 4.18%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, let's look at the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors. However, persistently negative PE ratios may highlight inadequate profits and could imply risks of bankruptcy. On a related note, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $21.33. If you do not own any shares, you might want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group faces its first support level at $18.79. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of June, 2025, Eric Swider executed an insider sale of 8,500 shares of common stock, with a par value of $100,000 per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Eric Swider conducted another insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $100,000 per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan performed an insider sale of 7,567 shares of common stock, with a par value of $100,000 per share. On the same day, Philip Juhan also conducted an insider sale of 416 shares of common stock, with a par value of $100,000 per share. Additionally, on the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan executed an insider sale of 36,774 shares of common stock, with a par value of $100,000 per share. Based on the 69 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 21.297. Overall, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,945,948 shares in the last 69 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and no stop loss has been established. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? But Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock presents several negative signals. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that it will perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, our evaluation of this stock remains negative. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 16th of June, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open higher by 210 and begin trading at $19.73. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With best regards from everyone here at StockInvest.